Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. I have a few things that I have to do this morning. So I have been up and showered and got myself ready because I have a few errands that I have to run today. I have to drop off this box at UPS for my Posh Market stuff. I have to go into the mailbox place, well, the post office really, and see about those dang boxes. I've got to figure out how to get boxes delivered to my house. So I have these boxes for my stuff, so that way all I have to do is just package it in there and put the label on it and then ship it away. So I've got to find out where I get these boxes because I don't want to have to keep paying for boxes. Because I keep paying for boxes and I keep paying for my little bags that I put them in. And I don't want to do that if I don't have to. So according to Posh and according to one of the subscribers, I think it's Uma, thank you Uma, she actually, which she has a YouTube channel as well, so you might want to go over there and check her out. She's Uma's Home, UMA''S Home, I think. Oh, sorry, I'll put the link down here at the bottom so you guys will know. But anyway, go on and check her out. But anyway, she's the one who told me too, because she sells stuff on Posh, and she's the one who said that, you know, I could go to the post office and get boxes, which I thought that the box that I got the other day was one that I could just like get, but obviously not. I think you have to pay for those ones because somebody told me that. I'm like, oops, sorry, my bad. So I'm gonna find out what the deal is with all that stuff, as long as the line isn't like stupid long at the place, and then I can figure it all out. But that's what I have to do. I have to figure out my Posh stuff so I can make it a lot easier on my life. And then I have to run to Target today because I'm out of a few like beauty essentials, hair stuff, baby oil, all that good stuff. So I just ran out in the shower of my baby oil. So I've got to get that done and pick those things up. And there was something else I needed to get. Oh, let me tell you guys something hilarious. So Saturday morning, Brian and I went to the grocery store. We went to Kroger, and I was looking for my cookies, those little like waffle cookies or wafer cookies or whatever. Oh my God, can't find them. They've got chocolate, lemon, strawberry, banana. What else do they have? Raspberry. They have all kinds of them. I want the caramels, and they don't have the caramels. So I ended up having to not get any. So yesterday morning, I started cleaning the windows yesterday at the house. And Brian's like, hey, I'm gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna go fill up the truck and the car and everything. I'm like, okay. Well, I'm like, hey, you know what? Let me ride with you, and I will run into Walmart really quick. Well, he didn't want to like go that direction when he was just gonna go that direction. So I left and went to that direction. I went to the Walmart really quick to see if they had my cookies. Now, literally left the house purposely in search of cookies. Only cookies. Those cookies. Walmart didn't have any. Nope. They had the lemon, the raspberry, the strawberry, the banana, the chocolate. They didn't have what I wanted. No caramel. So I'm like, okay. So I left Walmart. And then I went over to Publix, which is kind of like right next door. So I went over to Publix. No, didn't have them either. They had lemon. They had all the flavors, but they also had an orange, like, you know, like a orange, what's that stuff called? Like orange, okay, anyways, orange. So I got those. Dreamsicle orange, like a dreamsicle. Yeah, I got those too because they were 2 for $5. Yeah, they're not caramels. Let's just say that. They're not the caramel ones. So while I'm at Target today, I'm definitely going to be looking to see if they have the caramel ones because I love those. I need to like buy them in like 12 of them at a time because I run out of them so quickly because I eat them all so quickly, and Brian loves them too, so he eats them. They're just a small little addiction right now. It'll be all done and over with, and then we won't ever want to have those again because we'll be sick of tasting them. But anyway, I want some caramels. That's what I want. So when I'm at Target today, I'm gonna look to see if I can find some caramels. Oh, this guy's mowing. Oh, that always freaks me out when people are mowing, especially when their like shoot thing is facing towards the street, because I'm always afraid they're gonna shoot something out of the side of that and it's gonna like hit my window or something. And then this lady just pulled out in front of me, but hey, what do you know? Okay, so I'm gonna go to the UPS store and drop this off, and then I'm gonna go to Target and get some stuff done there. So let's go to Target. Who's excited about Target? Yay!
You guys, I'm behind this truck and they have a poor teddy bear tied to the back of the bumper of the truck. Aw, poor Teddy. What's happening with the teddy bear? That is so sad. But I mean, it's like, oh, I think maybe he's a junk man because I see he's got like suitcases and coolers and all kinds of stuff back there. But, oh well, bye-bye teddy bear.
Okay, so I'm at Target and I'm looking at their 30% off stuff. These little skirts are so cute and I love the colors of them. And they have like an extra large, but I'm not sure if that's gonna fit or not. Oops, knock that off. Wanna fix that. Oh, okay, it's cute. Some cute things. Oh, some kid's not happy. Ooh. This is cute, but it's small. Oh, that's really short. Oh, that's cute. That's like a long skirt. I don't know how I feel about those. That's a little bit much. Not sure. Not exactly sure. Now I'm getting into like, my goodness, that kid is just not happy. That's a cute dress. I like that. I don't think that's on clearance though. I think that's, oh it is, $20.98. That's really cute. Huh, I like that. They have these scales here and they are $14.99. That is not bad at all for these little scales, and that's really cute. That's a good deal for those scales. Really good deal. That's glass. I don't want glass. I kind of like plastic. Those are pretty too though. I like her line of stuff. Really pretty. And I love these towels. Aren't these pretty? Love all those. Joanna Gaines stuff. Servers. These milk glass vases are so pretty. Look how pretty these are. That is $5.99 for those. And this one is $5.99. And this one is $9.99. Very pretty. I've actually been seeing a lot of these like on Instagram and I absolutely love them. This one is $19.99. I think these ones are like $14.99 and all these are $14.99, and all they are is just like a letterboard. It is so cute. I love them. So I'm curious to know if all the letters come with it. So let's see. It shows all the letters. I'm assuming that the letters includes 180 letters and characters. Oh my gosh. So I really want one. So I think I'm gonna get one. I'm actually gonna get, oh no, I think I want this one back here. Oh, I like the black one. I actually like this one. I don't know. I don't want to get, because see, I kind of like this white one with the green. Yeah, I think I'll get the white one with the green. So cool. Love that. I love it. Are they gonna have them? Are they gonna have them? So let's see. I don't see any type of wafer cookies. Zero. I don't see any. You've got to be kidding me. Those must be like the most popular cookies. Of course, I don't see any other type of waffle wafer cookie here either. So, and these are all crackers. So, no. Waffle cookies. None. Zero. Well, that is a bummer because I really wanted some. So they actually have the lemon verbena candle here at Target. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get one. I do not like the lavender. That is awful. And then they have the sprays as well, which I love. I still have 2 of those left. But I'm actually gonna get one of these. These are so nice. All right, I'm gonna go into Michael's really quick because London said that, well, she showed me that she got a big bulk of beads here at Michael's. So I'm gonna run in here and see if I can't find a big bulk of beads as well to make more of my casa beads or house beads, which casa means house, right? So casa beads, house beads, whatever you want to call them. I like to call them house beads. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go find some beads. So let's go to Michael's now and see what they got. So the first thing I see is all this cute 4th of July stuff. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. All of this stuff is adorable. Well done is better than well said. It's cute. Love all these, and I don't think this stuff is not on sale, but this stuff is on sale. This is some of that cute stuff too that they have here. Very cute. 40% off of this stuff. Very nice. Cute. I love this. That's $24.99 with 40% off. So cute stuff, cute stuff, cute stuff. Very, very cute stuff. This stuff would be even cute in my living room because it's kind of got that blue and the ivory in there. Very pretty. Love it. Very nice. And here's more of the 4th of July Americana themed stuff. Very cute. I like the cows. Oh, excuse me, the piggies. I like the piggies. Those are $9.99. And these are really cute too. I think I have some of these. I don't have that pie plate though. Oh, look at these. So that's just a kitchen towel. Those are $9.99. Cute. You know, I don't like that blue on the bottom. If they would have done like a red, that would have been better. But I do like the red one with the blue. That looks much better. Yeah, that's much better. Cute. I like that. Porch rules. That's very cute. All of this stuff is super cute. I did come across these beads, and there are holes right through both ends of them. So these would be cute for house bead ideas. I like the green and the yellow one because that would be, the orange is a little bright, but I think these ones would be cute if I made like one to hang like on the fireplace because these will match. So how many come in here? 16. Oh, that's perfect. So yeah, I think I'll get these two because that could be cute to make for the house beads. And then see, they use this kind of ribbon where I just use my regular other ribbon that I have. And then they have like the pom-pom things so you can make the pom-pom banners as well. Cute. Very cute, very cute. So here's all of the wood stuff. I don't see any big like containers of beads. I see they have like these kind, but those are too big and there's a variety and I don't want that. And London got like the big container. I need a big container, but this is all the like wood stuff I'm seeing right now. I mean, I'm still going to continue to look, but this is all I find right now. Dang it. And here is more wood stuff. They have these beads and they have those beads, 18 pieces for $4.19. Those are cool. They have a hole on each end, which is nice. 18 pieces on there. I like that. Those are cute. But I don't see like a big bulk. How did she get like the big bulk of them? They've got these two, which are super cute. Love all of that. Okie dokie. So I found they are like over here by like all the beads and stuff. But there's a whole bunch of them. There's a variety of sizes and they have all kinds of ones with different colors and stuff. Which look, these would be so cute. Wouldn't those ones be pretty? Those would be pretty like in my room, like my glam room. But they have all this stuff, how you use to do it. Like plastic fishing wire almost. I like these. And the pearl ones, those are pretty too. Oh my goodness. But then you have to have the really thin stuff to go through it. Because I'm not using thin stuff. I wonder if these are the same. Oh, because see, they have all this thin stuff right here. And they've got the leather ones. And they've got these ones. To show you. Oh, look at this. And a whole little kit to put all your stuff in. What do you know? I don't know. Those holes still look too small though for me to shove my stuff in. So I think I'm just gonna skip those ones and just stick with the ones that I have down there. Alrighty, so I just want to show you guys the stuff that I did pick up at Michael's. So I did pick up 3 little bags of beads. I got these regular like wooden beads, and then I got the yellow and the green beads, which you guys saw. I picked up these cute little thank you cards. Look at how look how cute these little llamas are. Aren't those adorable? And then I picked up the yarn that matches these beads, so I can make one for my fireplace area. They had their packets of washi tape on sale. This was $14.99 with 70% off. So I picked up this beautiful like gold and rose gold and like bluish color washi tape. Love it. And then I picked up 2 pens because I'm always losing my pens in my purse. And then I picked this little thing up to hang on my purse because it's so darn cute. I just love these little fluffy balls. And now I'm getting ready to have some lunch, but I'm like sweating so badly. But I'm gonna do a separate Target haul. That'll probably go up in the next couple of days or on the weekend, but I'm gonna have some lunch now and sit down and relax. And then I have a couple of other videos that I'm going to film. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So before I end the vlog, I wanted to share with you guys a few things that Brian and I did this weekend around the house. We did not go anywhere. We did go get groceries, but that was about it. But we mainly just kind of stayed around the house and kind of got a few things done around here. First things first, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the reflection, how bright it is in here and what great lighting I have, it's because these windows are clean. So I took some time this weekend and I cleaned these bedroom windows and they look phenomenal. There's like, it's like you can walk right through them because you can't even tell that there's glass there. They are just that clean. So I'm very, very happy about how clean my windows are. They just look fresh. I even stepped outside and cleaned them outside. Of course, that's what you do when you clean windows, right? So we did that, and then I had Brian do you guys remember my little entryway, and I kind of had like this window propped up over here, and I had that shelf down there as well. Well, let me show you guys. I'm gonna turn the light on so you guys can see it a little bit better. Brian hung up the window for me and the shelf, so it looks really, really nice over here. I'm not exactly sure, kind of like this. I think I want to move this and put that someplace else and then move the candles back, but for now that's kind of where it's going to stay, but I think that looks great right there. I absolutely love it. He did a really good job hanging it up. And then we did a bunch of work outside as well. With some flowers and planting and adding the baskets and stuff, but other than that, that's about it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. I will see you guys tomorrow on Angie in Wonderland.